Let me show you how to make a simple coffee body scrub. This scrub will not just exfoliate the skin, it will help fight cellulite, help with the treatment of stretch marks, help tighten and firm the skin, leading to a healthier, glowing skin. If that sounds like something you like to learn, then you need to watch this video till the end. If you're interested in learning how to make super effective cosmetic products such as skincare products, lip care products, hair care products, feminine care products, weight loss and weight gain products, whatever it is, name it, we got you covered. Felimac Beauty School have series of classes that are designed for both online and physical school to help you take your beauty business to the next level. So whether you want to learn cosmetic product formulation or you want to become an expert in the spa or aesthetics industry, we got you covered. Our classes are very thorough. We take you from beginners level to advanced level. They are so detailed. Whether you're taking our classes online or whether you're taking it physical, you ensure that you're getting 100% extremely detailed classes that will help you level up in your beauty career. Are you ready to transform your beauty business? Are you ready to transform your cosmetic brand? Are you ready to take it to the next level? If your answer is yes, then click the link on our bio to get registered, or you send us a message to the WhatsApp number displayed on your screen, and we are willing and ready to guide you through. Without further ado, let us get right into the video of today. So first thing first, we're going to be going in with our sweet almond oil. Now, this is going to be an anhydrous emulsified body scrub. What this means is it's going to be a strictly oil-based body scrub, emulsified in the sense that we're working with both oils and emulsifiers to create a much more luxurious feel on the skin. Now, once these body scrubs come in contact with water, external water, it forms a creamy-like texture on the skin, giving your skin a better feel, a more hydrated feel. So you're 100% sure that you're not just exfoliating the skin, but you're also smoothing and nourishing your skin. Then we're going to be going in with our sunflower oil. We choose sunflower oil as a secondary oil to the almond oil because one, sunflower oil has a really good comedogenic rating, which makes it less likely to clog the skin pores. It's very lightweight and very affordable and also really accessible. Now, if you do not know what comedogenic ratings are, comedogenic rating is the ability of an oil or butter or an ingredient to clog the skin pores. So when you're choosing your oils for your skincare product, your body oils, your facial oils, you want to go for oils with lesser comedogenic rating that will be less likely to clog the skin pores, because the aim is to treat the skin and not to cause further damage to the skin. At this point, we're going to be going in with our emulsifying wax. Now, the emulsifying wax present in this scrub is what makes it an emulsified body scrub. The e-wax is what is going to create that creamy-like texture once it comes in contact with water. As you all know, water and oil do not mix, but when you add in another compound or another substance, preferably emulsifiers, it's going to mix excellently well to form what we call emulsions. But in this case, we're letting the emulsion form externally, meaning we're not creating the emulsion ourselves, but we're letting the emulsion form when it comes in contact with external waters. Then we're going to be going in with our stearic acid. Stearic acid here will serve as our secondary emulsifier. It's going to serve as a co-emulsifier to our emulsifying wax, which is our primary emulsifier. I'm sure you already know what emulsifier does in skincare products. Emulsifier is a substance that helps oil and water to combine properly. I've said that over and over and over again. So by now, you should have gotten used to that word. Having successfully created the oil phase, we're going to set it aside to double boil. And if you're not new here, you're going to know that the reason why we double boil is because we want to preserve the properties of our ingredient. We don't want it to be exposed directly to heat so that we do not lose any property of the ingredients. So the safest method to use to dissolve your ingredients in cosmetic product formulation, be it skincare, hair care, lip care, whatever care, is the double boiling method. And if you do not know how to convert these percentages or our formulas to recipes, that is unit of measurement, then that is a cue that you need to register for our online or physical classes. Send us a message right now to be part of that class. While the phase A is double boiling, let us prepare the phase B, which is our powder or our dry ingredient phase. So in a clean bowl, we're going to be adding in our sugar. Now, best for coffee scrub is your brown sugar, but I did not have brown sugar, so I'm going to be making do with white sugar. But if you have access to brown sugar, then that is the absolute best when you're trying to make a coffee body scrub. It blends easily with the coffee, and it also helps to, enhance the quality of the coffee. So brown sugar is best, but if you have access to white sugar, it still gets the job done. Then we're about to add in the star of the show, which is our Arabian coffee powder, our Arabian coffee bean powder. Now, this is what gets the actual job done. This is what helps in cellulite treatment. This is what helps for stretch mark treatment, which is literally the same thing as cellulite treatment. This is what helps for firming the skin. It's an anti-aging ingredient. It helps to tighten the skin. It helps to glow the skin, polish the skin, makes it look more even. It just helps to enhance the future of your skin, giving you a brighter, firmer, younger looking skin. So this is the star of the show. This is the coffee that makes the coffee scrub. Now that we've added the coffee powder into the sugar, we're going to give this a really good mix to ensure that the coffee is properly blended into the sugar. And, every part of the sugar has an ounce or has a pinch or has a taste of the coffee, because coffee is the star of the show, and we would not want a situation whereby it is being overshadowed by sugar. Meanwhile, if you want to learn how to make super effective lightening products, lightening products that will lighten the skin, that will also help to treat hyperpigmentation such as dark inner thighs, dark underarms, hyperpigmentation of any kind, then you should sign up for our depigmenting and lightening course. This course is going to be holding in February. It's going to be a 2 days intensive class. If you're interested in joining the lightening and depigmenting course, send us a DM right now on WhatsApp to get registered. At this point, our oil phase is properly and well dissolved. So we're going to be pouring in our dissolved oil phase into our phase B, which is our dry ingredient phase. And we're going to give it a very good mix so that we can combine the ingredients better. After mixing manually, we're going to use our whisk or our hand mixer to give it a good blend, because we want it to have a fluffier, much more lightweight feel on the skin. Now that we're done mixing, this is what we have. This is what our base look like. Then we're going to further in to add in our phase C ingredient. The first ingredient in our phase C is going to be our Tocopherol, which is a stronger version of vitamin E oil. It's going to serve as an antioxidant in this formula, and it's also going to help to enhance the shelf life of this product. Then of course we're going to be adding in our fragrance. For this formula, I will be working with the coffee bean fragrance. This fragrance works as an aesthetic modifier for this product to enhance the smell and make it more appealing. And finally, we're going to be going in with our Germal Plus, which serves as the preservative in this formula to improve the shelf life of this product and increase durability. We're going to give this a good mix, and there you have it. Our coffee body scrub is ready to activate that glowing skin and cellulite free skin. So tell me, will you be trying out this formula? If your answer is yes, let me know in the comment section, and feel free to ask any question as related to this formula in our comment section, or you can send us a message on WhatsApp and we will be more than delighted to answer you. Don't forget to join the early birds to register for our lightening and depigmenting course. That course is going to be mind-blowing and very expository. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, do well to hit the subscribe button. Or if you're seeing it on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, do well to hit the follow button if you want to be seeing more of our professional tutorials. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.